Alright, so the plan is to get the mower, but have to pull my dad's out first. Very hot. Very hot. Probably need some sunblock on my arms, but it'll be alright. Okay. My dad's mower. There she is. There she is. I'm going to show you guys what I've recently done. I think you'll really like it. Let's just say it goes a lot faster now. So, okay. Keyhole. Park it somewhere in the shade, maybe on the other side of the house. Let's see, I'll have to open that gate over there, but that's all right. Ah, there's a bug on my leg. Here we go. Ah, freaking bug on my leg. Come on now. Maybe like right here. In the shade. There we go. All right. Now let's go around here and get my mower. Now, the new camera I've got, just went and picked that up from Best Buy. It's the DJI Osmos Action 4. Very similar to GoPro, and I've never had a GoPro, but they're very similar. So, let's quickly go over what I've done recently. So, finally got new back tires. If you go and watch my last video, also we've painted the wheels. So, there's those. And the two back tires are new. And I took both the front ones off when I went to the tire shop to get those back there. And I asked them if they could take the front ones off and seal them, because they kept getting low on me. And I'm not sure if they did, because this one's always giving me trouble. And it keeps going low. I'll check the air pressure in it again once we get down to the building. But, you know, it's a great mower, and we'll talk about more of what I did. Alright. See if this old girl will start up. She usually does. Sometimes you gotta I've gotta play with the choke a little bit. I don't have two hands to do it. Normally it powers right up. There we go. I did it quick enough with one hand. to the right. All right. Let's go down to the building. Bugs are freaking everywhere, man. We'll check the tire pressure in those front two. I've checked the back two pretty often, and they're always the same, so that's good. It's really hot. Wish I had some shade, but gonna take what we can get. There we go. The old Lowe's mower. Alright, flip the seat up. Okay, here we are in the shop. You know, might only be 75 in here. I think that's what the AC set on. But when it's like 90 plus outside, 75 feels pretty dang good. If I can get my keys hooked back on. Let's pull that one. And pull that one. Now I can flip this light off. Got my shop lights on. Okay, so, yeah, the camera I'm recording with, I'm probably going to make a dedicated video on my tech channel about it. But what I'd like to do is take this mount and put it on the Lowe's mower, but it's got kind of a curve to it, slightly curved, but I think I should still be able to get it on there. The camera will set on there just like you see it. There's these clips, so I would like to get that mounted, and also to clean the spot. So brought that, and then we're going to check the tire pressure. What are you doing? It's too hot out here for you, buddy.
Why?
It's just too hot out here. Here, we'll turn that on low. There we go. It'll get going. Alright, let's check the tire pressure. Okay, so I'm going to pass the camera off here to my little nephew who's 6, and he's told me he's going to do a good job. Yeah. So remember what I told you. So we're going to go out here. Remember the other day we checked the tire pressure in the front tires?
Yeah.
Because that one tire keeps going low. So kind of get up close here. Let's see. Dun, dun, dun. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Flip it around. No, that one seems to be holding decent. It's showing about 14. So that one's good. That's only like a pound low. Okay, let's check this one. It's at the bottom. Okay. Yep. See that one shows like 15 exactly, and that one over there showed I think like 13 or 14. Not bad, but you know, just a little bit of difference. So here we go, got it mounted there on the mower. It's not perfect. I tried to line it up a little more with the fuel cap, but this will definitely work. I cleaned the area with like an alcohol wipe, so that'll work. I probably wouldn't let this sit out in the sun too long, but it's gonna go back over in the building, but that'll work. And there's more accessories I can buy. I guess if I ever wanted to take this off, I can use some kind of adhesive remover, but there we go. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to put you guys right there on the mower, and we're going to pull it back into the building, kind of out of the sun, and I'll talk about what I did. Dang it. Here we go. Okay, so now that I got it back in the building here, let me talk about what I've done. So when I took the back tires off, I decided to go ahead and take the transaxle off because I knew that the rear pulley was in pretty bad shape and I wanted to replace that. But it's such an old mower and the pulley is a strange kind of size, couldn't find it anywhere. So I decided, you know what, maybe this is my chance to make like a race style mower. Now this is nothing crazy on the front. Let me see if I can show you guys. Let's see. We did a 4.5 inch, or is it a 4? I think it's a 4. So right there's a 4-inch pulley. That was a little hard to find, but not too bad. Got that at Tractor Supply. It has a 1-inch bore to fit over the shaft. It's got the key, the notch for the 1/4-inch square key, and 4-inch diameter. Now on the back I won't be able to show you guys, but there is a 2.5-inch pulley, and the bore on that had to be 5/8, and it had the same 1/4-inch slot for the square key. And in terms of the belt, what was on it before was an 85 outer diameter, and the one that's on it now is an 80-inch. So, and they get pretty warm, but I've put this mower through its paces the past couple days since it's been done, and it turned out fantastic. Now there's people online who do crazy things, like they'll put like a 6-inch pulley on the front and like a 2 in the back, and that's super fun and all. They go really fast, but I didn't want to have to make any crazy modifications to my mower. The steering is pretty tight, and so with the pulley we did, there's no kind of like clearance issues or anything like that. It doesn't hit like the steering shaft, that front pulley. So, and it still goes plenty fast to kind of rip around the neighborhood. The top speed I think is around like 20 miles per hour in 5th gear. I thought about doing a gas pedal because I use this to kind of give it more gas, just up and down, but at the same time I kind of want to leave this mower as stock as possible because it is an older machine. It's in pretty good shape overall, and I just want to maintain kind of that originality. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions or want to see more of this, hopefully I can make some videos of ripping it around the neighborhood. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.